Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn about problem number 31 to 40 of summation of series. I have not recorded videos for some time because I was sick. So let's join back on the series of the algebra series of videos. After this, we will solve more problems on arithmetic progression, geometric progression, and harmonic progression. So as always, I say that when I am stating the problem, you should pause the video and try to solve the problem yourself. If you cannot solve the problem yourself, only then look at the solution. So let's get started. Problem number 31 says that find the sum of the series 1.2.3 plus 2.3.5 plus 3.4.7 up to n terms. So if you see carefully, it is made up of three arithmetic progression. 1, 2, 3. That is the first term of each product is is an AP. The second term 2, 3, 4 is also an AP, and 3, 5, 7 is also an AP. So the nth term of the first term would be n. The nth term of second term would be n plus 1, and the nth term of third term would be 2n plus 1. That you can evaluate easily. So our Tn would be n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1, which is 2n cube plus 3n square plus n. Now to find the sum, we have to apply the summation operator Tn over Tn. This essentially means n is equal to 1 to n. So we get 2 sigma n cube plus 3 sigma n square plus sigma n. So we substitute for the value of sigma n cube, which is sum of cubes of n natural numbers, which is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. For n square, it is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. And for n, it is n into n plus 1 by 2. So we solve this to get the final result as 1 by 2 into n plus 1 whole square into n plus 2. Problem 32 says that find the sum of the series 1.2.3 plus 2.3.4 plus 3.4.5. In this case, first two terms are like previous problem. The third term is 3, 4, 5, which is equal to n plus 2. So our Tn is n into n plus 1 into n plus 2, which is equal to n cube plus 3n square plus 2n. So like previous problem, we apply the sigma operator and we find the final solution as 1 by 4 into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3. Problem 33 says that find the sum of the series 1.3 square plus 2.5 square plus 3.7 square up to 20 terms. So you can see that in this case, first term is the nth term of the first term series is n, and for the second term it would be 2n plus 1. So our nth term would be n into 2n plus 1 whole square, which is equal to 4n cube plus 4n square plus n. So we find we apply the sigma operator for 20 terms and we get the final result as 1880, 1880, 90. So that's how you solve this problem. Problem number 34 says that find the sum of the series n square minus 1 square plus 2 into n square minus 2 square plus 3 into n square minus 3 square up to n terms. In this case, ith term would be I into n square minus I square, which is equal to n square I minus I cube. So sigma operator is applied over I, so n square into sigma I and minus sigma I cube. So we substitute the formula for the series of arithmetic progression and for the sum of cube of terms. And we get the final value is 1 by 4 n square into n square minus 1. Problem number 35 says that find the sum of the series 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n terms. In this case, nth term would be 1 square plus 2 square plus up to n square. And the value of this is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, which is the sum of square of first n natural numbers, which is equal to 2n cube plus 3n square plus n by 6. Now for the sum, we apply the sigma operator over n cube, n square and n, and we substitute for the formulas, and we find the final series by putting n is equal to 10, which is equal to 1210. Problem number 36 says that find the sum of the series 3 cube minus 2 cube plus 5 cube minus 4 cube plus 7 cube minus 6 cube. So in this case, you see that the nth term of 3, 5, 7 would be 2n plus 1, and for 2, 4, 6 it would be 2n. So our nth term is 2n plus 1 whole cube minus 2n whole cube, which is equal to 12n square plus 6n plus 1. So now we apply the formula for n square, n and 1, and we get the final result as 4960 when we substitute n is equal to 10. Yeah. Next problem is find the sum of the series 1 plus 1 by, it should be 1 plus 2, not 1 dot 2, 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n terms. So nth term is 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n, which is equal to 2 by n into n plus 1. Now we can rewrite this as 2 into 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. So following this example of nth term, we find the n minus 1th term, which is equal to 2 into 1 by n minus 1 minus 1 by n. Similarly, T3 would be 2 into 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. T2 would be 2 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. And T1 would be 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2. Now if we add all this 1 by 2 will get cancelled here. This 1 by 3 will get cancelled here. This 1 by 4 will get cancelled to the T4. Similarly, Tn minus 2 will get cancelled with Tn minus 1 for 1 by n minus 1. 1 by n will get cancelled with this one. So our final result would be 2 into 1 plus, 2 into 1 minus 2 into 1 by n plus 1. So our final sum would be 2n by n plus 1. Problem number 38 says that find the sum to infinity of the series 1 by 2.4 plus 1 by 4.6 plus 1 by 6.8 plus 1 by 8.10 and so on. So in this case, like previous problem, we solve the series. Instead of 2, we have 1 by 4 outside. So like here, it would be 2 into n by n plus 1. It would be n by 4 into n plus 1. So this would be n by n plus 1 and then whole divided by 4. So our infinity would be 1 by 4. Sum of infinite terms would be 1 by 4. Problem number 39 says that find the sum of the series 2 plus 6 plus 12 plus 20 up to n terms. So we write Sn and we write Sn again. We subtract this 2 from 6. We subtract 6 from 12, subtract 12 from 20 and so on. So our our result would be 0 is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 up to n terms minus Tn. So we take Tn this side and we get the sum of these terms as n into n plus 1. Now for finding the sum, we apply the formula, and this formula is applied over n square and n, and we have the final result as 1 by 3 into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Problem number 40 says that find the sum of the series 3 plus 6 plus 11 plus 18 up to n terms. So like previous problem, we write Sn twice and we subtract 3 from 6, 6 from 11, 11 from 18 and so on. So we get the result as 0 is equal to 3 plus 5 plus 7 up to, this should be n minus 1 terms, not n terms. So n minus Tn. So Tn is 3 into 3 plus n minus 1 into 2, 2 into first term, that is 3 plus n minus 1 into 2, which is common difference, 5 minus 3 and 7 minus 5. We get this as 3 plus n minus 1 into n plus 2, which gives us n square plus n plus 1. We apply the sigma operator over all this to get the final result as 1 by 6 into n into 2n square plus 3n plus 13. So with this, we come to the end of summation of series of problem 40 up to problem 40. In the next video, I will solve 8 more problems on summation of series, and that will end summation of series for now. After the next video, we will solve more difficult problems on arithmetic progression, geometric progression, and harmonic progression, which will involve concepts of calculus and trigonometry. So if you have found this video useful, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, because that will motivate me to make more such videos. And if you have anything to say, you can use the comment section to uh, tell me what do you think about this series of videos. So see you in the next video. Happy solving the problems. Bye.